guys, so I'm Kitten. This is the channel where I do awkward things. No, actually this channel is me and my girls, and well, it's basically our family's vlogging page. Yeah. She sings and I sing, so maybe you'll catch a cover here or there. It is currently all over. The male of our family, well, the dominant male, I guess, the alpha of our family, is a Marine, so he is in a Marine place. Puppy is in Arizona. I'm in Florida. And Puppy has our pups where she is. Fox, we'll just call him Fox. He's our Marine. And then I'm Kitten, and I'm awkward. So, just kind of wanna introduce myself on the channel. So, this be Kitten, and you guys be sexy, and that's my introduction, sort of. I'm a Pisces. Pisces. I like anime, and I'm not Scottish. I'm Italian, and Japanese, and a little bit of everything. So, I'm busty too. But, I'm just kind of a nerd and an oddball. So, you'll see a lot of random videos from me. So, this is me. Nice to meet you. Play.